Hey guys, it's Fusion Kid back with another detailed look of some new inventory on the lot. This time a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am priced at $39,000. If you want to be sure this ride is still available, head on over to maplemotors.com, click on inventory. Starting up front, the 79 Trans Am immediately stands out with its deep red finish, accented by the iconic gold Screaming Chicken hood decal. Got a strong 400 under the hood with several performance upgrades, chrome accessories, headers, and dual exhaust running through Flowmaster style mufflers. It's got an aluminum radiator, keeps everything running cool, and power steering and power disc brakes make for a smooth ride. All that power is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission paired with a Hurst shifter. The look is enhanced with classic 15-inch Snowflake wheels wrapped in raised white letter BFG tires. Its lowered planted look in the rear comes from upgraded suspension components, including subframe connectors and both front and rear sway bars. Looking through the tinted windows, you'll find an interior that matches the exterior perfectly, features bucket seats and a center console, factory tach and gauges, and a CD player. In the back, you'll find the factory rear spoiler that completes that classic second-generation Trans Am silhouette. Once again, 1979 Pontiac Trans Am priced at $39. Be sure to subscribe. I'll be posting just about every day showing you detailed looks of all the new inventory on the lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.